keeping and journaling inside of traveler's notebooks is really trendy right now, so I thought that I would show you some fast and easy ways to make it look fantastic but doable to keep up with at the same time. So stay tuned. Okay, so today is the last of my bonus Friday June video, so I thought I'd make it a good one and give you this process video of my memory keeping journal in a traveler's notebook. I want to take you through my process so you can see how I've set up mine. You can use it as an inspiration to make your own. So I'm using the Hello collection from Carpe Diem, which matches perfectly with the Simple Stories I Am collection. Now, if you don't know, Carpe Diem is owned by Simple Stories, so that's why a lot of their lines will match, and it's really great to be able to use paper like this and to use the paper from the scrapbooking collection in your planner and use dashboards or cover your TNs or put in tip-ins. There's all kinds of things you can do with the scrapbooking line, but there's also, of course, the Hello stickers and all the stuff that goes with the planner line. So I'm going to use both of those, so let's get into it. I'm going to let you watch the video in peace, but I'm going to pop in here every once in a while and give you a few tips on some of the things that I'm doing. Whenever I see a little technique that I'm using that might need a little bit more explanation, I'll pop back. So for now, grab your planner, grab a blank notebook or an insert, and just have fun and start your own little journal. So the perfectionist in me is very, very proud of this little part. I am laying down a second piece of washi, exactly lining up the design so that you can't tell once the washi's all down that the washi that's holding the card on is any different from the washi that is there as the border of the page. I was really fiddly, laid it over top, and just lined up the design so that it matched. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Now, I cannot draw a straight line to save my life, so I purposely draw these crooked. There are different lengths. There's even one that has a curly Q on it. I put them purposely crooked, purposely different sizes so that it doesn't look like a mistake. So I found that this little flag was a bit too long, and so I cut it off, and instead of tossing out that little rectangle at the top, I cut the side of it to make another flag, added that to the left. For this tip-in, I'm only putting washi on one side on the back because it would cover up the design on the front, those little strips of white. Plus it's the same flower, so I use the same floral on the back as the pattern on the front, but this washi is fantastic. It holds really good. I gave it a few tugs to make sure it was going to stick. So there's no problem having washi on only one side of your tip-in. Alright, here it is. It's a little flip through. I'm going to show you each thing. There's lots of moving parts which I like, and then of course the lines I filled in my journaling and all the fun stuff. So it's a mix of what happened today, the things we did, and then this one, for example, is more my thoughts and opinions and that kind of stuff that's nice to track. And the last day is blank, so I can fill it in and use it whenever. So if you like this, I do lots of decorative videos. You can subscribe here by clicking my little face in the corner. Next week on Monday, I have that review of the Carpe Diem spiral planner, so 4 new ones. So make sure you're subscribed that you don't miss that one coming up. And then the week after will be the review of the new stickers from Carpe Diem. Okay, have a fantastic day and happy planning.